back to our channel, released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Barbarians is the German Netflix authentic that is a racing reputation, and now enthusiasts are watching for the second season. John Martin Scarf and Arne Nolting are the creators of this historic drama, even giving hard opposition to Vikings. Here are all of the matters you need to understand approximately about the second season of Barbarians. Initially, the display becomes created, preserving within inside the thoughts of a new season. But after searching on the reputation, the display is getting the main reasons for considering the Destiny season. The information of the renewal is catching up so fast, even though the primary season became handiest out on October 23rd. Netflix is now no longer freeing any statement approximately about the revival or the cancellation of the display. Barbarian's reputation is global, and it's for the primary German authentic collection to attain any such point. The placing of the primary season became in Budapest, and filming came about for September 2019. It took the display nearly 12 months to finish filming, production, and launch on Netflix. Due to no superb information approximately a renewal repute, it is not smooth to understand while the second season could be available. But speculations endorse that it will premiere via way of means of the give-up of 2021. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates. The Barbarians have a variety of potentials to return with the second season. The Germanic tribes unite collectively due to Arminius and Thusnelda to combat the three Roman legions. The Roman Empire faces a defeat, and the conflict is the main success. Thusnelda and Arminius are maximum probably to stay the throne as king and queen of all of the mixed Germanic tribes. One of the probably plots the second season goes to comply with is the battle of their house and the battle that they will undergo with this decision. On the alternative hand, the tale also can comply with Tiberius, the emperor of Rome, and is busy organizing a brand new military to combat the Germanic tribes. Arminius additionally has to stand Germanicus, who is going to steer the alternative allegiance of Romans. This is to take revenge for the insults within the conflict. Falkwind may even play a huge function within the second component due to dropping Thusnelda to Arminius. Arminius gives Falkwind to grow to be the king, however he is taking it as an insult and will increase his anger. Falkwind additionally threatening Arminius that he will kill him if Arminius turns into a Germanic king due to the ridicule he has long passed through. The person of Falkwind has visible loads within the first season itself, from saving the lifestyles of his excellent buddy who marries his love, unites the tribe, and wins the war. One can also now no longer overlook the ability that Arminius and Thusnelda need to grow to be the following king and queen, which is devastating for Falkwind due to the fact he noticed the identical dream for himself and Thusnelda. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel, Release on Netflix.